Hello YouTube, I'm Jérôme Renogou, and today we're gonna do a video on how I do an underwater video. Part 4. Organizing your files and basic editing. First of all, you should keep your files organized. Personally, as soon as I come back from diving, I start to derush my files. That means I will look at all of the files, erase what is not good and rename what is good. For the name, I will use the name of the animal and also if the animal is doing something or is going somewhere. I have two folders. One is called 2018 Underwater and the one we're using now is 4K 2019. And then in this one you can see that I have folders with the date and the name of the dive site. I also have a few files, but those should be put very soon in folders to make it organized better. I also like to put my files into a best of folder. Normally I just put the year and best of. In this folder, I can always do subfolders. For now, I'm just having all of my files together because I don't have so many. Next, I will import my files into Premiere Pro. So personally, the way I do, I have folders with the music, the sequences I'm gonna use. So in my case, I did a folder with how to make an underwater video. That was for the previous sequences. And for this one, I did an extra one that is for how I do an underwater. It means those are the files that I'm gonna put in the small video we're gonna do together. So we have Seraya and Ahmed. I guess we're gonna use only Ahmed and the two dive sites that are Jalan Melasti and Cafe Garam. I will do a short video on those three dives. To import my files, I just double click on this rectangle and then I go import and then I can pick the files I want to import. In our case, it's already in. So next thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take from those two folders, I'm gonna take only the files that I consider good enough and I will try to start to pick an in and out on where it's good, and like this I will have only usable files. I'm gonna double click on my file and then I will start watching it and find an in point with an I and an out point with an O. Okay, I just do this roughly, then I bring the sequence in my timeline. Next one, start. Is there something good? Two skeleton shrimp, in. Oh, here's sharp for both of them, and out. And then I bring it to my timeline. Actually, I can stack them together or not, doesn't make a big difference. I will get my image a little bit bigger because I don't really need the timeline now, but it's gonna be easier to view it with a bigger screen. Purple crab, a little bit in. It's kind of eating or losing sharpness right now, so actually I'm gonna go back a little bit and probably stop it here. It looks like there is a good part as well a little bit later, but I'm not sure we're gonna use it. No, it's not much better. Octopus getting in the sand. In. He's breathing. It's quite okay. It's getting too long though. Hop, out. Oh no, he's coming back a little. Let's do the out point here, and the in point we're not gonna keep as much. Okay, now he's getting in, and probably here is better. That's the part we want to keep. I'm doing fast forward editing, so once again you can see I try to find the in and out point for my sequence, and then I just put them pretty much next to each other. This will be my first base of the video. Later on, I will actually organize the files a little bit better by different species of animals, and then I will be able to put them to follow the beat of the music. Right now it's just a rough cut, but it will already help me to know exactly what I have and what is usable. As you can see, even fast forward 5 times, it still takes quite some time. In the next section, we'll talk about organizing the files and resizing them. If you like this video, don't hesitate to put a like, a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye, see you next time.